In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust padding on Squarespace. If you want to create more space around your content, make your pages feel less cramped, or fine-tune the overall layout of your site, Squarespace gives you a simple way to do that through the Site Styles panel. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on the spacing settings that affect the look and feel of your pages. To begin, go to the top right of your Squarespace editor and click Site Styles. This is where Squarespace keeps many of the visual design controls for your website, including typography, colors, and layout-related settings. Opening Site Styles is the first step because padding and spacing adjustments are handled from this design area rather than directly on the page itself. Once the Site Styles panel opens, click on Miscellaneous. This section contains additional design controls that don't always appear in the main style categories. So if you're looking for layout spacing and can't find it right away, this is the place to check. Inside Miscellaneous, click on Spacing. This is the key section for adjusting how much room appears around your site content. Spacing settings can have a noticeable impact on readability and visual balance, so it's a good idea to make changes gradually and keep an eye on how the page responds as you go. Now, adjust the page width setting. This controls how wide your main content area appears across the page. Increasing the page width allows content to stretch farther across the screen, while decreasing it creates more empty space on the sides, which can make the layout feel cleaner and more focused. If your content feels too spread out, narrowing the page width can help. If it feels too compressed, widening it may improve the overall look. Next, adjust the site margin. This setting affects the outer spacing around your site content, which is often what people mean when they talk about padding in a general sense. Increasing the margin gives your content more breathing room around the edges of the page. Reducing it makes the layout feel tighter and can allow more content to fit on screen. As you change this setting, pay attention to how headings, images, and text blocks sit within the page, especially on different screen sizes. That's it. By opening Site Styles, going into Miscellaneous, then Spacing, and adjusting page width and site margin, you can quickly refit the padding and overall spacing of your Squarespace site. Make small adjustments, preview the results carefully, and stop when the layout feels balanced and easy to read.